Ever found yourself wishing there was a way to earn money without having to invest anything upfront? Well, what if I told you that Google, yes, the Google we all use every day, could be your gold mine in 2024? Keep watching to discover how you can potentially earn $1,000 per month with Google for free. And no, this isn't a fairy tale. And the best part? You can start with no upfront investment. So, whether you're a student, a stay at home parent, or just looking to add to your paycheck, this video is for you. Welcome to Jum Talks, both returning and new subscribers. I'm your host, Jum. Before we dive into today's adventure, I want to share something personal with you. Recently, one of our videos reached over 600 viewers, an incredible milestone for us. Yet, as I looked closer, I realized something surprising. Despite all those views, we're still on our journey to growing our subscriber base, currently standing at 48 wonderful supporters. This got me thinking about the incredible community we have here and the potential to create something even more special together. If you find any value, joy, or insights in our videos, I kindly ask you to consider hitting that subscribe button. Subscribing not only supports the channel, but ensures we can keep bringing you content that enlightens, entertains, and adds a little more wonder to your day. It's a small gesture that means the world to us and fuels our growth, allowing us to invest more in content that you love. So, if you're ready to be a part of our journey and help this community flourish, please subscribe. Thank you for being here, and now, let's get started with today's video, Understanding Google's Potential. Let's start by unpacking the giant that is Google. Most of us know Google for searching the web, or maybe as the powerhouse behind Android and YouTube. But Google offers vast opportunities for earning, thanks to its extensive range of services and its global reach. Today, we'll cover several strategies that utilize different facets of Google, from content creation and advertising to leveraging its app ecosystem. Strategy 1. Google AdSense. What is Google AdSense? First up is Google AdSense, a tool that allows you to monetize your website or blog by displaying ads. When visitors click on these ads, you earn money. It's as simple as that. But effective monetization requires strategic planning. Starting a blog or website. Choose your niche. Consider what you're passionate about. This could be anything from tech gadgets, personal finance, cooking, or even DIY crafts. Create valuable content. Your content needs to engage visitors. The more traffic your site attracts, the higher your potential earnings. Always focus on quality and relevance to keep your audience coming back. Optimize for SEO. Use keywords, meta descriptions, and engaging headlines to improve your site's visibility in Google searches. Maximizing earnings. Ad placement. Place ads strategically within your content to enhance click-through rates without annoying your readers. Mobile optimization. Ensure your site is mobile friendly, as a significant portion of web traffic comes from mobile devices. Strategy 2. YouTube channel monetization. Building a YouTube channel. Content creation. Identify content that resonates with your interests and has a broad audience appeal. This could be tutorials, vlogs, or educational videos. Consistent posting schedule. YouTube rewards channels that post regularly by boosting their visibility. Monetizing your YouTube channel. Join the YouTube Partner Program. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize your channel through ads, memberships, and super chat during live streams. Engage your audience. Interact with your viewers through comments and live chats. Engaged viewers are more likely to watch ads fully, which boosts your revenue. Strategy 3. Google Opinion Rewards. How it works. Google Opinion Rewards is an app that pays you for your opinions. After downloading the app and setting it up, you'll receive short surveys based on your profile and interests. Taking surveys. The surveys are quick, usually taking less than a minute, and pay up to $1 each. While this won't make you rich, it's a simple way to earn a few extra bucks. Strategy 4. Google Play Store, developing mobile apps. If you have a knack for programming or can team up with a developer, creating an app can be a lucrative option. App development. Identify a need that you can address with a unique app. It could be a new productivity tool, a game, or something educational. Monetization strategies. You can make money through in-app purchases, ads, or by offering a paid version of your app. Publishing on Google Play. Optimization. Use relevant keywords and an attractive design for your app's listing to maximize visibility in the Play Store. Marketing. Promote your app through social media, blogs, and Google Ads to increase downloads. Strategy 5. Google Taskmate. Google Taskmate is a relatively new tool that allows you to earn by completing simple tasks such as taking photos of shopfronts, checking certain details online, or transcribing short audio clips. Getting started. Download the app, enter an invitation code if needed, and start completing tasks. The pay varies depending on the task's complexity. Making $1,000 per month using Google is achievable, but like any genuine income opportunity, it requires dedication, creativity, and persistence. Experiment with these strategies. Combine them to increase your income and always keep an eye out for new opportunities within Google's evolving tools and platforms. Remember, the key to success in any digital venture is adaptability. The digital landscape, especially with a giant like Google, is always evolving. Staying updated with Google's latest tools and updates can give you an edge over others. Don't be afraid to tweak your strategies based on what's current and what's fading. Just a quick one before we conclude. I've got a small favor to ask. If you found value in what we've shared today, could I ask for a bit of support? Just 20 subscribers from those watching right now could make a huge difference for our channel. It's a small action from you, but it means the world to us. It helps our channel grow and allows us to keep creating content you enjoy. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our community. All right, let's jump back into the video. Expanding your digital presence. Beyond the strategies we've discussed, consider expanding your digital footprint to include other platforms as well. Integrating your Google-based efforts with social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook can help you reach a wider audience. Use these platforms to drive traffic to your YouTube channel or website, cross-promoting your content to maximize visibility and revenue, using analytics to your advantage. Another crucial aspect is leveraging Google Analytics for your website or blog. This powerful tool helps you understand your audience better, what they like, where they come from, and how they interact with your content. Use this data to refine your content strategy, cater more effectively to your audience, and optimize your AdSense placements for increased earnings. Exploring additional Google services. Also, consider exploring other Google services like Google My Business for those of you who run a local enterprise, or Google Books if you're an author wanting to reach a broader audience. Each of these services offers unique ways to connect with more users and potential revenue streams. Networking and collaboration. Don't underestimate the power of networking and collaboration. Join forums, attend webinars, and connect with other content creators and tech enthusiasts. These connections can lead to collaborations that may boost your channel's viewership or your blog's readership exponentially. As we wrap up this extensive guide, I encourage you to start small but think big. These strategies are just the beginning of what can be a very fruitful journey with Google. Take that first step today and keep building on it. With perseverance and a bit of creativity, reaching that $1,000 per month milestone is within your reach. If you're ready to start making money with Google, why not begin today? Like this video if you found it useful, subscribe to Jump Talks for more insightful content, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Got any questions? Or perhaps you've tried some of these strategies already? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and your insights could help fellow viewers. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success in the digital world with Google in 2024. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and let's make that money.